Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is Shakib Khan. My favorite actor is Shakib Khan. What are you laughing at? What are you laughing at? I am laughing at a joke. I am laughing at a joke. Are you serious? Are you serious? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Do you watch TV every day? Do you watch TV every day? No, only sometimes. No, only sometimes. How much is this? How much is this? It's 200 taka. It's 200 taka. Who is at the door? Who is at the door? It's the postman. It's the postman. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Do you like this song? Do you like this song? Yes, it's beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. Are you new here? Are you new here? Yes, I came yesterday. Yes, I came yesterday. How was your weekend? How was your weekend? It was great. It was great. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? I like orange juice. I like orange juice. Where did you study? Where did you study? I studied at Dhaka University. I studied at Dhaka University. Do you like winter? Do you like winter? Yes, I love winter. Yes, I love winter. Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Jubin Garg. My favorite singer is Jubin Garg. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can you open the door? Can you open the door? Yes, just a moment. Yes, just a moment. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? It's on the table. It's on the table. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Do you want some water? Do you want some water? Yes, please. Yes, please. Is your house big or small? Is your house big or small? It's small but nice. It's small but nice. Do you use Facebook? Do you use Facebook? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. When will you come back? When will you come back? I will come back soon. I will come back soon. Are you afraid? Are you afraid? No, not at all. No, not at all. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. Are you married? Are you married? No, I'm single. No, I'm single. Do you like your city? Do you like your city? Yes, very much. Yes, very much. Can you come here, please? Can you come here, please? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. How far is your office? How far is your office? It's about 2 kilometers. It's about 2 kilometers. Did you call me? Did you call me? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Who told you that? Who told you that? My friend told me. My friend told me. Can you wait a minute? Can you wait a minute? Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? We are talking about movies. We are talking about movies. Are you going to work? Are you going to work? Yes, I'm going. Yes, I'm going. What's your plan for today? What's your plan for today? I will clean my room and rest. I will clean my room and rest. Do you have a laptop? Do you have a laptop? Yes, I have one. Yes, I have one. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. Shall we go now? Shall we go now? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go.